Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to lock and hide apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you've ever wanted to add an extra layer of privacy to your apps or just declutter your home screen while keeping your apps secure, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 18. You can check for updates by going to Settings, then General, and tapping on Software Update. Once you've confirmed you're up to date, we can move forward. Now, locate the app you want to lock and hide on your home screen. Press and hold on the app icon until a menu pops up with several options. One of the options you'll see is Require Face ID. Tap on this, and your iPhone will prompt you to scan your face to lock the app. This ensures that only you can access it moving forward. Once you've locked the app, you'll be asked if you want to remove it from the home screen. Select the option to remove it. This will hide the app from your home screen, so it won't be visible anymore. However, the app remains securely locked with Face ID, and it's still accessible if you know where to look. The app will now only be available through the app library. Keep in mind that you can't completely remove the app from the app library, as iOS requires all installed apps to be visible there. But don't worry, it will be out of sight on your main screens. To access the hidden app, simply swipe over to the app library and either search for the app by name or scroll through the list to find it. Since the app is locked with Face ID, you'll need to scan your face each time you want to open it. And that's it. You've successfully locked and hidden an app on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips from Foxtecc. Thanks for watching, and see you later.